Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. You are most welcome to the online classes. Today I will discuss about the solve class on right form of verb. So at first of all, I will say to you that if a student wants to fill in the gap with correct form of verb, he or she must know about the rules of right form of verbs. So follow me. How will you write the correct form of a verb in order to fill in the gap of any passage? My students, already I have written down a sentence. In the last summer vacation, I get no sufficient time. Here I will say to you when you will go for filling the gap with correct form of verbs, you have to know the foundation of the verb in the sentence. That means you have to know the form of tense. That means total words in this universe are done with three tense: present, past and future. On the other hand, present tense also has been divided into four parts. That means all the present works are done on four levels, such as present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect continuous. Similarly, past tense is done with four levels: past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect continuous. And future tense is also done with four levels: future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect continuous. That means if a student wants to complete any gap with the correct form of verbs, he must know the foundation structures of tense. That means I am noticing here that there is a word last. That means when you will get any word by the name of last, you have to think that the verb of the sentence will be in past. That means yesterday, in the last year, last night. These are the signs of past form of the verbs. So in the last summer vacation, I get no sufficient time. So the verb in this sentence is present get, and this verb must be turned into past. Why? Because we are noticing the word last in the sentence. So when you will get the ends of last in any sentence, that sentence will be in past. Okay, this is going to be changed in the last summer vacation I got. So answer will be got. Answer will be got. What is the past form of the word get? The past form of the word get is got. So if you follow these kinds of hints in any sentence, you must use the correct form of the verb in the form of past. Okay, I am going to write down another sentence. In the last year, no permission give to us to go to picnic. My dear students, follow me. Already I have also written down another sentence, and extra we are noticing also here again the word last. Already I have told you that when you will get the ends of last in any sentence, you must think that sentence will be in past form. That means the verb in the sentence will be in past form. So in the last year, no permission give to us to go to picnic. Actually, I will say to you again, if you want to learn the correct form of verb in any sentence, at first we have to practice with voice. That means active voice and passive voice. Maximum verbs in any sentence is done as passive voice. So how will you understand that the verb will be in passive form? Yes, I will say to you, if you don't get any object, if you don't get any object after any verb, then you have to think that that verb will be in passive form. Will be in passive form. So give to us. After the verb give, there is no any object form. So obviously this verb will be in passive form as voice. So now change this verb. In the last year, no permission is given or was given. Yes, this is the past indefinite sentence. So when you will be given any past indefinite tense to change from active to passive, you have to use extra auxiliary verb was and were before the principal verb in order to make that verb in passive form. So here we are going to use no permission, no permission. This is a single subject. So after single subject, we have to use auxiliary verb was. So was, give, gave, given, was given. That means our answer will stand for was given. Was given. That means passive form of any verb is always in past participle form. So what is the past participle form of the verb give? Give, gave, given. So I am saying to you again, if you practice with active and passive voice in order to learn the right form of verbs, I hope you must be able to learn those techniques and rules, and you must be succeed yourself in doing those answers perfectly and correctly. My dear students, I am giving you another example. His father come home last night. His father come home last night. Here we got also the word last. Then the principal verb in this sentence will be in past form. So what is the past form of the verb come? Yes, the past form of the verb come is came. So his father came home last night. Actually, there is no alternative way of practicing more and more with these rules. If anyone wants to learn more and more any topic, especially in English grammar. Besides, we know that practice makes man perfect. Noticing or taking this proverb in head, if you lead your life and if you practice with more and more any topics, I hope in your future or day or tomorrow you must be succeed yourself in doing any difficult questions answers. Okay, so we are going to end our class here. In the next class I will discuss again with another topic. Then stay well, be safe, be alert. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.